something that was good became evil. Remember that serpent that was used for anyone who was bitten by the fiery serpents to look at and be healed? Well, the Israelites put it in a high place, and now we're worshiping it. See something that is good, could be good. Traditions, cultures. There's a certain amount of fear that is healthy, but there's a certain point where we can cross the line, and now it becomes a high place. Now it becomes, we're giving more to it, more value to it, and God wants you to reel it back. Get rid of that and come back to where He wants you, living in truth.